Hey folks, Barnaby Dixon here. So pretty much exactly 1 year ago I shared this concept with you where I projected my face in real time on a puppet's body. The reception was strong but somewhat mixed, as a fair percentage of my audience found this effect incredibly creepy, which I understand, but I was thinking why not try to work with creepy? So this puppet here is kind of a result of that work. In terms of the design and mechanics of it, it's very similar to my Manu puppet. I have control over the hands and even individual fingers. You can see how that works. I'm also using the same glowing pigment that I use for the bug puppet, so this one glows very, very nicely in the dark as well. So besides the use of the face projection, there's some other new elements as well that are pretty fun. For example, these glowing LED eyes, that's something I've not done before, but they run off the same power supply that powers the face screen. Also, there's a little switch in the back of the head that means I'm able to have the puppet blink when I want it to. But I'd say, kind of structurally, my favourite new addition would be this zigzaggy, slinky torso. It just makes for some really fascinating and fun movement possibilities. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Also, all the sounds that you're hearing are happening in real time as a result of the puppet stamping around on this drum pad surface. It's something I've explored before, but certainly I'd like to play around with it some more because it's pretty fun as well. The potential of this puppet has, I mean, in terms of the content I could create, is pretty exciting. I think it could lend itself very nicely to live performances. So I've set up a Twitch account, so at some point I would like to do live performances there. I also am going to do some live performances in person at a few different events, so I'm going to put links to those events in the description below. Finally, if you enjoy the work that I do, whether it's these puppet demo videos, the Dab Chick series, the music stuff that I do, feel free to subscribe and hit notifications so that you can see when I upload a new video. Finally, if you'd like to support the work that I do, here is a link to my Patreon account, and you're certainly welcome to do that. Thank you very much, and sleep tight.